Okay, 101 through 104. We're all talking about parabolas here. So the coordinates of the vertex of the parabola, in general, a times x minus h squared plus k. The vertex is h comma k. So, in this case, for number 101, the vertex would be, change that sign. You change the sign for the h value, 4. Keep that k sign the same. 4, negative 4, that's my vertex. For number 102, we're not in this form yet. Let's isolate y by subtracting 4 here on both sides. Y equals x minus 2 squared minus 4. So now this vertex is going to be, change the sign, positive 2, negative 4. There's my vertex. Now for the axis of symmetry, there's two ways we can think about that. One is the axis of symmetry of any parabola. Let me just draw some random parabola here. This parabola, for example. Here's my vertex. The axis of symmetry is this vertical line of symmetry for the parabola. And this, let's say this was negative 4, right? This point was negative 4, 5 or something like that. That vertex was negative 4, 5. This axis of symmetry actually goes right through the vertex. It's a vertical line, so x equals negative 4 is that equation. So if you have the vertex, x equals h is the axis of the equation of the axis of symmetry of this parabola. So that's one way you can get that. And I can say, okay, this is x squared plus 7. So the vertex of this parabola is this is like x minus 0. That's 0. Positive 7. So the axis of symmetry is x equal 0. That's one way to get it. The other way to find the axis of symmetry is by using this axis of symmetry formula. The axis of symmetry, x equals negative b over 2a. And this is if your parabola is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. And this one kind of is ax squared plus bx plus c. In this case, a equals 1, b equals 0, right, because there's no x term, and c equals 7. So if I use this definition of the axis of symmetry, negative 0 over 2 times 1, we still get x equals 0 as the axis of symmetry either way. This function is in standard form, so we can just pull out the vertex here. The vertex is negative 4, negative 6. Change that sign, keep that sign. So x equals negative 4 is the axis of symmetry. Cuts right through that parabola. I didn't even mean to use negative 4. It just happened that way. If you wanted to multiply this out and confirm that you get x equals negative 4 if you use the axis of symmetry formula, either way. But this problem, I think the nicest way to do it is to get the vertex and then that vertical line that goes right through the vertex, x equals negative 4, that's the axis of symmetry.